Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Florida, in Orlando, in Disney World, in the Magic Kingdom, in Fantasyland in the Magic Kingdom. We're gonna take a boat ride around the world today. I can only be talking about the one, the only, It's a Small World ride. Disney touts it as the happiest cruise that ever sailed. Sing along to the classic anthem of world peace during a delightful musical boat tour. Cruise along the Seven Seaways Waterway on a gentle 10-minute journey through all 7 continents. Pass through vivid, fantastical scenes representing the iconic sights and sounds of dozens of nations. Behold a cast of dancing darlings from nearly every corner of the globe, and watch as the Audio-Animatronic figures achieve universal harmony as they sing one song in many languages. By journey's end, Walt Disney's simple message is clear. It's truly a small world after all. Okay, so it's about a 60-minute wait to get on this ride. How small can this world be with all these people here? But I couldn't possibly go home without riding this. I mean, this ride's iconic. It's a must-do when you're in Disney World, and well, I must do it, so here I am, a grown man going on a children's ride. Or is it a children's ride? From what I read on the internet, I think adults like this ride more than children do. This here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. That, my New Yorkers, is It's a Small World, and if you've been to Disney World or Disneyland, they both have this ride, I'm sure you've been on it, whether it was on your own accord or your kids dragged you on it. And another thing I'm thinking is you'll be singing that song for the rest of the week in your head. You're welcome. So what'd you think? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.